I know everybody knows this fruit. This is called mango. So, and when mango becomes spoiled, how does it look like under microscope? So I want to show you, whenever a mango spoils, you should not take it because it harbors a lot of things in it. So look at this microscopic view of mango, and you can tell me your opinion in the comment section. Let's look at it. So now this is the spoiled mango, and the portion of it has been cut off. It's going to be placed under the slide, so to say, and they cover it, then place it under microscope. As you can see, it's trying to adjust and the eyepiece and the metal light has been turned on, and is viewing it under microscope. As you can see, this is a maggot under 40 times view, under 100 times view. Look at maggots everywhere. Look at them. As you can see, look at them. These are maggots under 400 times magnification. Look at how this mango looks like under microscope. So whatever urge you have in terms of taking mango, especially the pregnant women, these are the people that mostly have this kind of problem, because when they have an urge to take something, that urge is irresistible to them. Please try to take something fresh. No matter what the urge you have, try to take it fresh, because when you take it and it becomes spoiled, whatever fruit is that, when it has spoiled, you are also adding harm to your baby, to your unborn baby. Instead of it to have a healthy looking giant baby, then you are going to have a baby that will have one or two problems after birth. So please try and avoid taking spoiled mango or spoiled fruit. So also our children at home, because you find out that because of the nature of the economic situation and because of the nature of the children, they tend to be taking things at homes without a proper sanitization, or when the thing has spoiled, they will take it because they want to take it, and by so doing, it also brings taking in germs into their body. As you can see, these are the mango. These are the structures we found inside the spoiled mango, and you also know that these structures are not good for our systems. Try and avoid it. If you are first time coming to my channel, YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share. And if you are watching this video from Facebook, give me a follow. Remember, your health is your wealth. Nobody will teach you, will only advise you to remain healthy, but the rest of it, you don't have to do it. Thank you.